That's why you don't do the lines, right? So it's more rhythmic. Leaving Dartmouth High School, and I just photographed students preparing for a concert by a composer that's coming to visit them. So that was very interesting. And if you saw the video, you'd see how much I was in the middle of it all. That's the only way to get really captivating images, unless you just want overall pictures, which of course I took as well to have a sense of scale and dimension. But it was a good deal. I mean, I enjoyed myself. The music was pretty cool, and time to move on to the next thing.